Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Grammarly detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Grammarly, first, open your preferred web browser. Type www.grammarly.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the Grammarly homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see a login screen with options to enter your credentials. If you have an account, input your registered email address in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the designated area. If you prefer, you can also choose to log in using Google or Facebook. To do this, click on the respective button for Google or Facebook. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account through the chosen platform. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a page to enter your email address for password recovery. Check your email for a message from Grammarly and follow the instructions to reset your password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If the information is correct, you will be directed to your Grammarly dashboard. From here, you can start using Grammarly's features for your writing. Remember to log out when you are finished, especially on shared devices. Click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner, then select Log Out. That's how to log in to Grammarly seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.